Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Kenzie with a unusual box break retail. I get a box of MVP 2014-15 hockey by Upper Tech. This entire box has 36 packs and each pack has 5 cards on it. They sell for 99 cents over the Target. I got the whole box. And let's see what we got. This actually has a 300 card set. 100 or 200 of them are regular base and 100 are the SBs. Okay, so I tried to see what's inside. So I opened one on the car, and let's do this rather quickly. Okay, that's how it looks like. Alright, so MVP, good rookie. Okay. I'm gonna go through all of them. I'm just gonna show you rookies, stuff like that, special cards. There's 36 packs to go through. Okay, get the silver. Okay. It's a silver script, that's what they call. And I believe I get one and two or three packs. I think one in every 2 packs. Sorry, her name is very hard to pronounce. Okay. Probably gonna have a video, part 2. Okay. Because there's too many cards. But, I love opening it. Checklist. So it looks like everyone too has like, what you call that? Silver. Okay. Again, silver. Ryan Miller. I think I can make it. There should be some autographs, some jersey, some die cuts. Okay, so we'll see. Okay. So far, one rookie. Yeah, I don't really do. I only know the Blackhawks. That's all I care about. It's from Chicago. Okay. Elec. Okay. Another one of those security thingy. Okay, and Rookie. That's Kirk Leffman. No, just regular. Okay, we have a NHL star insert. Yeah, looks like we're gonna have a part 2 in this one. So maybe gonna cut short, then do another video and just put them together. That'll be nice, right? Let's see. I'm in the garage right now, so you might hear a car passing by. So 36 pack, I think I'm gonna get 18. 18 silvers. I don't know how many rookies. A rookie. Silver. Not a rookie. Alright. Okay, just regular base. Okay. So I'll just cut it short. We'll just do the other half, okay?